Some nights, the city makes everyone feel bigger than it is.
I shouldn't be here, but I couldn't stay away.
Haruto.
Irene, I didn't know how to say it.
Say what?
That I couldn't forget you.
Wait. Why does the rain always feel like it's waiting for me too?
Don't look at her. Not yet.
Why didn't you say it back then?
I can't run forever. I was afraid.
You remembered?
But I never forgot.
All this time, I thought I was alone.